Welcome to a new video of Phoenix Models Reviews, and today finally we are going to unbox another model which is, let's say, interesting. It's not a new model, I have no idea from which release this is or was. It's pretty old, as you can see from the box here. I got this from the Swiss eBay. So yeah, let's dive right in and take a look at this model. I think it doesn't even have rolling gears, but we will find it out. One interesting thing is now that this model will probably never go to my display collection, let's say, because my display collection is pretty full at the moment. If you want, I can do another update on it. And spoiler, I'll have more unboxings coming. Yeah, those unboxings will come for sure. I already have the model here. They're from my birthday, so it will be a total of 5 models without this one that I'm going to unbox. So yeah, we'll have some new content, which is awesome in my opinion, and the models are awesome too, but you'll see them. I don't want to spoil them for you. Anyway, let's check out the box. Too bad that they tried to remove the price tag here. Something I didn't like. I just had left them on. And the box is, well, it's okay here, and there are some scratches and dents. Normally you don't really get the best boxes when you order second-hand, sadly. Also here you can see some dents. Yeah, Boeing 747-300 Surinam Airways, which is pretty cool actually. I think they don't have this model anymore, so yeah, let's check it out. And oh, this looks okay. This was the price, 45 Swiss francs probably. They probably put it here, there, or somewhere else. I think I throw this away. And you can see the plastic here is pretty yellowish, which is not a good sign initially in my opinion, but let's see the model if it's as yellow as well. No, wow, the model looks fantastic actually. Wow, you can really feel that this plastic here is kind of cheap. I have no idea how old the model actually is. And you can see, yeah, we don't have any rolling gears. Yeah, I got this model for 25, no, not 25, around 27 US dollars. No, even more, 30 US dollars, 28 Swiss francs, around that. And yeah, let's check it out. I think the first impression is, I mean, it's fine, it's nice, it's a 747, that's cool. What else? Too bad that it doesn't have rolling gears, but oh well, I knew that, or I thought this would be the case. So yeah, this will probably go straight to my collection, not to the display. But anyway, I think it's a cool model for the price, 30 US dollars with shipping. I can't really complain. So yeah, let's go to the zoom part. First of all, we have the nose, the Surinam Airways font, and the gear without the rolling gear. That's why it kind of looks so, yeah, not too good in my opinion. Actually, to be honest, that's why I don't really buy Gemini jets, because of their rolling, or let's say not rolling gears, but because of their gears. I think the Phoenix gears just look amazing in my opinion. Wings and mold and everything is basically the same, I think, for Gemini jets, but the gears are, in my opinion, for Phoenix on the next level. So nothing special. We have those yellow, orange and red stripes all across the airplane. Some animal. I have no idea which animal this actually is on the engine. Yeah, not too special in my opinion. Registration PH-BUW. And then the tail. Not too special in my opinion, but still, nevertheless, in my opinion, a cool model to have. This is the front with engine 4 and 3, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, also you can see with the newer models have a lot more details in the engine. Basically here you can't really see anything. Here as well. Let's check out the bottom of the airplane. So the bottom is not really special at all. We have the Phoenix logo. Yeah, we have the Phoenix logo here. If it focuses, come on. Phoenix model. Then on this wing we have nothing, and here we have the registration again. PH-BUW. This is how it looks from the back. Not really special. The only reason why I got this was I'm kind of interested in the 747 altogether. Like so far I have two 747s. This is the third one, and I wanted to see how the old models compare a bit to the newer ones. I have to say the newer ones, of course, they have a lot more details with the antennas, of course, with the engines, with the rolling gears, but otherwise the mold looks similar, and yeah, I think they're actually not too bad. Yeah, this is it. I hope you like this video. Tell me in the comments what you like or dislike about this model. Would you have bought it for $30? This does interest me, not only would. Then I hope you will see us soon again in a new video. Your Phoenix models reviews. Oh my god, guys, I just wanted to say, like, I just said like 30 seconds ago that the quality was already second. Look at this, the rolling gear fell off. One rolling gear fell off. That's a pity. I tried to add it again, but if not, then this has to be technically my first really broken model. Wow. I think that's not the owner's fault. I think it's just because it's old, but anyway, I just want to let you know about that, which yeah, I'm not really sad about, because this won't go on my display and probably I can fix it with some glue or so. We'll see.